Why do you look like you're... Passion fruit Madeline. This is so good. What's the consistency like?
Hello.
Wait, let me see the inside. No, it wouldn't be. Oh wow. Yeah, no, he has all the shirt is thrifted from, where were we, in Italy?
Yes, actually.
But Agnes from Italy. Shoes are from Poev.
So cute.
These are Abercrombie.
What's Abercrombie? Oh, the pants.
Abercrombie and Field.
Period slay.
Would you guys go back to Starter Bakery?
Just to pick up some pastry.
Yeah, I would. I feel like I have to be in a specific pastry mood
Yeah,
to
bro.
go.
Isola clears. San
Zola
Diego.
is good. No, but this place is also really good. I felt like their textures were on point.
I like the Hills vibes.
When did you cut your hair? Did you get the lid? I used to love Stephen King. I mean, I still do.
looks like scorched.
Cheers, Mom. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Try that now.
Total. Adiós, Dogen.
Try it. One area.
Probably not. I feel like that's actually too small for me. What do you have so far?
I just got this for you because I thought you might have wanted it. But then I have this like 90s vibe dress.
Oh wow, that's actually a really unique dress. I like the cut.
And I found this that I could use for school, but also I think it'd be cute with like casual stuff.
Yeah, those look comfortable. But it looks very old.
Ultimate 70s vintage bag. Bro, I know I'm not gonna wear it a lot, but I need to get it.
How much is it?
$12.99. Thank you to student loans. Just kidding. The red one's definitely cool.
The red one's better.
Whoa!
Oh, it's actually pretty good. It fits nice.
It's giving. Oh.
It's giving. Actually, that's really red. This is also thrifted. These are Abercrombie & Fitch. This is from Italy. This is Amazon. And these are Target? What are Target? Or no, actually, these are Madewell. Wait, I don't think those are Target. Miles is making me matcha.
This is for the both of us, don't you worry. Is this one different? I didn't want to make it too sweet.
Oh, they're the same. It tastes.
All the shit. Roast tteokbokki is better than just regular.
I bet that I kissed someone tonight and you don't.
Sweet, simple, stupid baby.
You're wrong.
That's enjoyable.
What about that one? Because he was kind of straight.
You weren't as better.
Good morning. It is Sunday and it is almost 9 a.m. Malls and I are gonna go take a workout class right now. It's a HIIT class, and right after we're gonna go to Chinatown to grab some pastries, and then maybe I'll take you guys along with me because I might hit up some cafes and coffee shops and thrift stores. But yeah, it's such a nice, beautiful day right now in Oakland. We just finished our workout class and that was actually really hard.
It was killer, dude. It was just like all the cardio stuff,
Yeah,
but it felt so good.
It does. The AMRAPs, like, so after each set, we would do 3 sets of AMRAPs. And I think that killed me the most. My legs are so tired right now. What about yours?
Yeah, I was burning during it, but you know what was my motivation? The contestants from Physical 100.
Oh, yeah. I have to yet watch all of that.
It was so good.
I was just thinking about the buns we're going to get right now.
Oh.
Because I didn't eat any breakfast this morning, no coffee, nothing, just worked out on an empty stomach.
Oh, I had a waffle.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Chinatown right now, and we're gonna go find some goodies, maybe some pineapple buns. Super excited.
So sad because this one is oolong, okay? Oh my how many pineapple buns? 2 baked barbecue.
Thrifted at a place in Long Beach, thrifted here at Oakland, Crossroads, thrifted at a Goodwill in Long Beach, and these are Italian leather shoes from Poe's, and this is the same bag that I got in Italy.
Hey.
My fit is not cute.
Thrifted from Thailand.
Little girl vibes.
This is from Santa Barbara. These pants are from Italy, but what brand is this, Mom?
I don't know. Oh, United Colors of Benetton.
Oh yeah, United Colors. But these are some Adidas Gazelles, and this backpack is y'all Raven King.
I'm sure. What about the ring? Where you get the ring from?
It was from Matthew McConaughey. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. It was from him. Thank you.
Wait, so someone's pregnant.
She has this like crazy looking gas mask.
So it makes it so much easier.
Hello everyone. So we are back at my sister's place. We just came back from Coro, and we just came back from eating really good dim sum. Sorry if my stomach's popping out, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday at the Crossroads thrift store. We'll first start off with this top. Ta-da! So this is just your basic baby tee. It's a kiwi tank top by Addicted, but one thing I really liked about this was this kiwi match with my shoes. And then the yellow on this shirt is my favorite shade of yellow, so I was so elated when I found this shirt. Also because this shirt matches with the skirt I found. No, this isn't the most flattering looking skirt, but I like it because it has this really cool cinched at the bottom. And then I also like the fact that there's yellow I guess yellow string or belts. Nice cute yellow accents that pretty much would complement the yellow in my kiwi shirt, and it actually makes a good outfit. I also like the fabric. It's really soft but still somewhat structured. I believe this brand it's Gap in an M. But yeah, I just wear it like this, low-waisted a bit. Super cute. I don't know, I'm like into different styles now, just playing around with different colors, and I do tend to like things with a pop of color. So that skirt, when my sister found that skirt for me, and she's like, oh my god, this is totally your style, and I was like, you're right, and I could like totally wear with my Mary Janes. Crazy find for me, because I was scouring the internet for just this basic white swing tank top, and I went into the thrift store not expecting to get anything, and I found this item, which was literally exactly what I was looking for. This is something I've been wanting to wear with just baggy jeans and cute flats. I like this oversized baby doll look, and I love like how it's longer than usual. I love the cinched neckline. I loved the bow ties on the top. It's literally perfect. The material is also perfect. I think it's a cotton blend, and it has cute little pockets. But yeah, a perfect I guess summer or spring staple. I was gonna maybe wear this with a long sleeve underneath since it's a little colder. And I'm also leaving back home at around 7 p.m. so I'm really sad, but just happy to be here for the weekend and spend time with my sister and her husband.
Is it back?
No, it's
Bro, why do you look like you're falling into the bun?